session, I'm going to cover test-driven script, which is the third automation generation mode by the KaneAI agent. In this session, I'll give you overview on the flow, entire flow, how we can the create in the third generation mode. Okay, let's get into the flow. Yeah. So this is the third the flow that I have framed it, named it as a test-driven script, and its journey is starting from the test manager and from the manual test case side that's why I have given it as a test-driven test script. Okay, so like other modes, our journey first we have to log into the Lambda test using the secure credentials. Okay, and you have to invoke the test manager. Okay, so either you have to take the test cases, you need to import the test cases from the external file, for example CSV, or you can create the manual test case using this test manager given interface. Okay, so here that we call it as a stage one. So here you can see the arrow is going towards here. Okay, and we have to create the test case, and we have to enter the steps as a prompt. Okay, single step we have to enter. So, and once this particular test case is created, and you will have the option to choose, hey, you wanted to add the script for this particular test case. Yeah, there is an option is available, that is automate with KaneAI. So using that one, the stage journey will start. Okay, the stage 2 journey will start from which will invoke the web agent, and then a regular process like in previous tests, whatever we have, that is building the test and live preview of that particular actions, and then once that is completed, that will be save it to the new test. There is just some clarification over here, might be a feature I'll clarify with the Lambda test team, because once we create the test, again it is asking user to save that particular test into the test manager instead of embedding the script into the created test. Okay, I wanted to understand what their the architecture, how they have framed it, but based on my explore, I see the test is created over here as a manual, or it will expect existing test case and then asking the user to generate the test for that created manual test. Okay, but for conceptually to understand, so for now we have going to create a new test name for that one, and as a regular mode, it will provide all the facilities whatever in the previous modes supports. It will support hyper execute, version history, code generation, project download, that you can do it whatever the flow that you have created over here. And again, it is steps. It's a regular the flow it has. So in the three modes we have, in the two modes we have, similarly in this test driven script also it is available. Okay, so this is the third the test mode that I have framed it. Okay, and in the next section I'll demo you with a simple example to understand what is the flow that I have explained over here. So again, so to have a simple understanding of this flow, I framed it as a two stages. Okay, stage one and stage two. Stage one is expecting manual test case to be created, or it is to be available in the test manager, and the journey will start from the test manager interface, not from the KaneAI. And once the test case is available, the journey will start for the automation creation. So by having this particular option, I'm going to demo this particular flow. Okay, so that's all I have in this particular session, and we'll catch you in the next session. Thank you.